All right. No time like the present to fly to our doom. Off we go! Welcome to Cloud's Edge, my cozy little corner of the world. But no need to panic. You're perfectly safe here. Might as well do a quick intro, I suppose. I'm Quirk, a robot, but the good kind.
This is the Goliath suit. It can traverse long distances with its palm jets and fires powerful explosives from its shoulder cannon. Either grip button, aiming the jets away from where you want to go. They're burst-based, not continuous. Hold again mid-air to extend your flight. Grapple onto any surface and comes with a deadly bow and arrow. This is the Blink suit. It's extremely light and maneuverable, with the power to jump in mid-air. Its explosive projectile weapons can be pulled from its chest and released at incredible speeds. Welcome to Blink Suit training. This is a safe space to test the suit's agility and firepower. Keep an eye out. Great job. This is the Storm suit. It can fly, using its powerful wrist jets, and comes with versatile pistols that can morph into a powerful rifle.
Hey, there you go. Hopefully got you feeling a bit more powerful. Crack on when you're ready. side of the weather, or there's a lot of lasers nearby. I'm going to assume it's the weather. Another one? What did we do to annoy these special menaces so much? That was incredible! Personally, I've never been brave enough to deal with tiny spiders, never mind a massive one. I'm so glad I found you.